we know with the right tools, we can empower the next generation with the skills they'll need to tackle the world's greatest challenges. The Climate Action Kit, an all-in-one robotic system that makes it easy for teachers to introduce coding and computer science in their classrooms with real-world context. Each of our learning solutions comes with everything a teacher needs, from the robotics hardware to curriculum-aligned lesson plans and step-by-step coding and building tutorials. With our innovative microbit-powered robotics kit, introducing your students to coding is as easy as. The Climate Action Kit is accompanied by a best-in-class learning platform. Educators can access a library of ready-to-use, curriculum-aligned computer science lessons from grades 3 to 10. To program the Climate Action Kit, students use MakeCode, Microsoft's Learn to Code platform, and are guided through each activity with accessible step-by-step coding tutorials. With virtual simulators, new reversible cables, and smart components, students won't just feel like inventors, they'll actually be inventors. Ready to use out of the box, our kits offer a low-floor, high-ceiling, and wide walls learning experience for teacher and students alike. Educational tools need to be durable to survive life in the classroom. That's why we designed the kit to be assembled and disassembled over and over and over again, lesson after lesson.